I've been using the Lexus app to manage my vehicle remotely, but recently, it stopped working out of nowhere. If you're facing the same issue, here are 2 fixes that can solve it in just a few minutes. Let's start with the most common but overlooked problem: app update. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Lexus, and see if there's an update available. Outdated apps often crash, fail to connect, or simply don't load at all, especially after newer phone updates. So if you see that update button, tap it and install the latest version. Once it's updated, close and reopen the app, and most of the time, it works perfectly again. If the issue persists, before trying anything else, check if Lexus is having a system-wide outage. Open your browser and head to downdetector.com. Then search for Lexus app. If you see a spike in user reports or comments saying the app isn't working, it's likely a temporary issue on their end. In this case, the best thing to do is wait it out. The app usually starts working again once the server issues are resolved. That's all for today's quick fix. If this helped, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more app tutorials, and check the description for useful links. Thanks for watching.